Hola, mi nombre es Simón Gadbois y les presentaré sobre el olfato canino aplicado a mediados de mayo. Otherwise, obviously, the presentation will be in English. I'm sure that you feel reassured right now. It's interesting because I've been giving talks in Europe for a long time now. I've been to Italy, France, Germany, Great Britain, Poland, Denmark, the Netherlands, Austria. I think I'm missing one. But somehow, never in Spain. So, just for a little bit of background, I used to work with wolves, but also coyotes and red foxes. And then when I decided to make things a little bit easier for me, less field work, mostly because I was having kids, etc., I started working in lab conditions with dogs on olfaction. And I developed over the years two areas of research. One is working with dogs for conservation. So they help us find species at risk with their nose, obviously. And we use the dogs, if you want, as research assistants. They're absolutely fantastic to work to find those species at risk. And I will talk a little bit about that research. And then the second part will be about another program that we started almost 10 years ago now on biomedical detection. Unfortunately, this is actually the very last year, this year, that we are working on this. I have my last PhD student working in this field. And we are moving on because Halifax is too small and we're having a lot of hard time recruiting participants for that kind of research. So we are going to be going, or continuing, I should say, full-time with the wildlife conservation canines. So I will tell you about all of this in May. And then we see each other again in July. And this will be actually to talk about the behavioral sciences or the behavioral perspectives and the neuroscience perspectives on motivation, something that is very important and very, very fundamental to animal training. And why that talk, I think, will also be interesting is that for some reason among animal trainers, the new science, which is not that new, it's 20, 25 years old, arguably almost 30 in some cases, of motivation in learning and the importance of motivation in learning is very much ignored. And I really, as a neuroscientist and as a behavioral scientist, do not understand why that is the case. But otherwise, again, in mid-May, we'll be talking about applications of canine olfaction. And can't wait to see you there. Esperamos verte allí. See you. Thank you.